Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure SendGrid for course emails step by step clearly. To configure SendGrid for course emails, start by creating a SendGrid account. Visit the SendGrid website and click on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required information and verify your email address. Once your account is active, log in to the SendGrid dashboard. Navigate to the API Keys section under Settings. Click on Create API Key. Name your API key and assign the necessary permissions. Save the API key in a secure location, as you will need it later. Next, go to the Sender Authentication section. Choose Single Sender to begin the verification process. Enter the required details about your email address and sender name. Click Save and check your email for a verification link. Confirm your email address by clicking on the link provided. After verification, return to the SendGrid dashboard. Next, you will need to set up a domain for sending emails. Go to the Domain Authentication section under Sender Authentication. Add your domain name and follow the instructions to configure your DNS settings. Make sure to verify your domain after making the changes. Now, access the Email API section on the dashboard. Select Integration Guide to find instructions tailored to your programming language. Implement the provided code snippets in your course platform. Be sure to replace the placeholder API key with the key you created earlier. Once integrated, test the email functionality. Send a test email to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If the test is successful, you are ready to start sending course emails. Monitor your email performance through the SendGrid Analytics dashboard. Adjust your sending practices based on the insights you gather. Congratulations, you have successfully configured SendGrid for your course emails. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.